He's literally licking the wall.
You gotta put that on YouTube.
Funny some videos, dude. I'm going as long as this guy's doing it. I go within like 99 hours.
Ow! I'm gonna get the bolts.
No, leave him alone.
I can't reach. What the heck? Mo, you're retarded.
Leave him alone.
Ew!
Some Jack and Loogies.
Ew, he's harking doogies!
Why is he licking the wall?
I don't know.
He's just licking
Does
the
it
wall.
taste like lemons? Because if they do, the lemons are over here. So you know, Cody showed them the lemons. They're over here, not on the wall.
Doesn't that hurt? Dude.
See? Here's the lemons.
Dude, move. Are you done,
Keep
Mo?
going, Mo.
And he goes back again.
He goes again. 99 hours, bro. 99 hours. What are you doing? Must taste like lemons or pineapple. Or bananas. Bananas. Oh, bananas. Bananas.
Stop.